photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm going to make today is making fish vegetables. Fish makes vegetables. Balls. Yeah. I have some already chopped vegetables and chickpeas. And chickpeas is like the some carrot para ko lang discuss siya. Ready? One just slow. Ayan. Just a quick one. I really like this. I have some fish here. And put there. One fish. Just mix that there. Salt and pepper. Cover. It's ready for dinner. Slow. Very handy this one. Good result from the Amazon. And guys, ready for dinner. I'm gonna put pepper, ginger powder, mixed herbs. Basil, little bit green, parsley, and explore, and mix. Then you put a little bit of one egg, and yum with then garlic powder. Ayan, gagawin ko na yung fish and mixed balls. Yan, binubuo ko siya. Tapos, lagyan ng konting cheese in the middle. Then, igulong-gulong sa breadcrumbs. Para masaya. Ayan, guys. Kaya kahit ano, pwedeng subukan. Yan. Tapos, i-bake ko yan ng 180 Celsius degree. Preheat. Painitin mo muna yung oven. O kung wala ka namang oven, pwede rin sa mantika. So, tip pag gumawa ng mga meatballs, kailangan iinit mo muna yung kawali, 100% mainit, then ilagay mo yung mantika. tapos talaga nga completely mainit yung mantika, pwede mo naman subukan na mag-ano ka ng konti. Paglagay mo ng konti, ayan, mag-ano siya, okay na yan. So, ilagay mo yung ano mo. Pero wag mong, pag magluto ka na, wag mong i-full yung ano na to, sobrang init. So, pag makita mo naman yung ano yung, di ba, mag-boil, magkulo-kulo yung, ano yung oil, yun yung ano. Yan guys. So, getting ready. Yan yung ginawa kong recipe. Kaya sana kung magustuhan nyo man yan, magigyan nyo ako ng thumbs up and like and comments. Sabayin na, oh, maybe more improvement. So, I will do my best for more improvement, guys. So better to do something like kung ano yung nandyan sa rip mo, subukan mo. Ayan, guys. Yan yung ginagawa kong fish and mixed vegies balls. Ayan. Mix fish and vegetable balls. Yan po yung title. Yan yung gawa natin. Kaya, ayun guys, enjoy. And if you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and give me thumbs up and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking upcoming videos. Ayan guys, thank you so much and God bless everyone. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for subscribing me. And then of my eyes, I say thank you for subscribing me. Hindi ko alam yung lyrics. Chorus lang. Ayan guys, yan yung ginagawa. Continuous lang tayo sa ating trabaho. Ayan.
You don't know me too.
Ayan, tapos na rin. Then, ayan na, yung resulta. Tapos, mayroon akong egg. Inawag ko siya. Ayan, i-brush ko siya sa ano. Ayan, pero nilagyan ko dagdagan. Parang ano, yung, para ang baba, para di siya magdikit. Nilagyan ko ng breadcrumbs. Parang gumagawa rin ng pandesal ba. Ayun guys, seriously, yan. Tapos, mayroon akong ground almond, pinapatak-patak ko sa ano, sa bola-bola, ayun, bola-bola, basketball. Yan guys, enjoy cooking and thank you so much. And then i-bake natin ng 180. Painitin mo muna yung ano mo yung oven. Ayun. Ayan, look at that guys. So that's the result. Ayan, Ayan, thank you so much and bye-bye. See you next video.